Good evening, Bill Wood here, also known as Barnacle Bill the Trader. Just a short video to show some of the highlights from Monday's trade room session. The Jigsaw Live Trade Room is a demonstration of how I trade. I'm not selling any special indicators or courses on how to trade. Really, nothing is being held back. I describe what I'm seeing in the market, on the charts, on the dome, and in the market profile. I'm willing to share what I know in order to help anyone who is interested in creating a career in trading. I'd like to show what led up to a particular trade I took in the day. Early in the day, as we were going over the market, I was describing what I saw around the previous day's low and how I thought it wasn't going to offer much resistance. It was chopping around in the morning. I took a few small shots with small losses, and you'll see one of those trades, but pay close attention to the chart and the DOM. The market went down through the open. I took a shot and immediately sprang up. My thought was that this was a shakeout, and at that point I was convinced that the market was going higher. So I'll let you listen in as we discuss it in the trade room. As you can see, there was a lot of volume here. It's coming up to test that volume. It could be a good rejection point. There's like no volume here. So you may just see it fly through the low. Low would be another place where I would be tempted to short, but there's no volume there. I mark the half hours, the half hour points. I don't like the way Ninja does this. On my toss chart, this would be the 930 bar because it began at 9:30. This marks when the bar ends. So we have some more volume coming in now. And of course, like I said, when I try a breakout trade, if it doesn't move relatively quickly, now what I think if this doesn't follow through, this was a shakeout and that it would be ready to move higher. So this is going to be a structure. I'm going to just use this structure. We came down. To me, it just felt like a shakeout, so that it could go higher. So at this point, I'm just going to leave my stop where that is. I just wanted to jump in here at this point because I wasn't saying much in the room during this time. I was watching the dome very carefully to see if it was going to reverse on me. But I just wanted you to notice that I have my target one tick below the low. And I kept that there until I remembered what we were talking about earlier in the day that I showed you, where the low, I didn't think that the low was going to offer much resistance because there wasn't a lot of volume there. So you're going to see me keep, I believe, one contract below the low and move the second contract higher. So at this point, I am waiting for it to break out of this little consolidation area, and then hopefully at that point, stops would start letting out of the market. So I'll let you back into the room. So I wanted to break this, and I want it to explode. I want to see short covering. I have my finger on the flat button. I was hoping that it would do it this bar. Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Oops. So you see what's happening. There was no volume here. It just totally ignored the low. You may get some resistance up in here, maybe at the 200 period moving average. So that's just a taste of what you'll see in the room. We talk about market structure. We talk about the dome. We talk about market profile. Try to put it together in a cohesive way. We don't rely a lot on indicators. We tried to read the market and what the competition is doing. So if something like that would interest you, come see us, come join us for a free trial. I'd love to have you in. Stop in, say hi. This is Barnacle Build a Trader signing out. Thanks.